What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade again here for you, and in today's video we are going to be talking about Pool Together and a really interesting project here that we have, and it is a no-loss lottery built on Ethereum. So stay tuned, you are not going to want to miss this one. Alright guys, welcome back. So again, in today's video we're going to take a quick look at Pool Together, explain what it is, how it works, and why you should care. But before I jump into the content, I just wanted to point out that I just redid my new ebook, 7 Best Ways to Secure Your Crypto. It is 100% free and it's pinned down in the comments below, so go ahead and check that out when you get a chance at no risks.
Pool Together is a revolutionary no-loss prize game. For every dollar you deposit, you get a ticket to win a prize. But even if you don't win, you keep all your money and continue to have chances to win until you withdraw. It sounds too good to be true, but here's how it works. You get Pool Together tickets by depositing money into a prize pool. All the money deposited by everyone earns interest during the prize period. At the end of the prize period, one lucky person wins all the interest earned on all the money. Everyone else still keeps all their money. Everyone has a chance to win, but no one loses. It makes saving money as fun as playing a game, and it works best when we all play together. We hope you'll join. Pool Together.
Jumping right back into this, so this has been on my radar for a little bit, and again, what this is a no-loss lottery built on Ethereum, and the way that it works is multiple people deposit USDC or DAI or Tether or a couple of other coins like Uni or Compound. And the way that this works is multiple people deposit their funds and they have zero risk and zero chance of losing that money. The way that it's done is multiple people pool their money together. That accumulates interest that is achieved through compound finance. And each week there's a random winner that is selected as the winner, and that winner gets all of the interest earned during that time. As you can see on the site here, you can win up to $98,693 every single week. Now again, this is really interesting because it's like playing the lottery in real life, except you don't lose your money. This is, you get to withdraw and pull your money back into your own account or your own wallet at any time that you want. So what makes this really compelling is it allows you to save money with the ability to earn more money or have everyone's pooled interest, which this pool is pretty big, so you can get a lot of money when there's all these people that pool their money together. So just sort of, and there's a bonus that I'm going to give you at the end that's really huge. Simply, Pool Together is an open source and decentralized protocol for no-loss prize games, as we just talked about. Secondly, it runs on Pool token, which is an ERC20 token. The Pool Together protocol is controlled by Pool token holders. All changes to the protocol are submitted and approved. The more tokens that you hold, the more you have voting rights and can vote on changes essentially to make it different or better or whatever. The protocol automatically distributes the pool token to anyone who deposits. So all you have to do is make any sort of deposit of DAI, of Ether, of USDC, of Tether, whatever, and whatever that amount is, you'll get the equal amount of pool tokens, which is pretty cool. Additionally, it integrates with other popular wallets like Argent, Zapperfi, which is a great DeFi wallet, and same with Zerion. So what's really interesting about this is not only the fact that you can enter as much money as that you want, and the more that you enter in, the more chance that you have of winning, and it's done completely randomized, but it's really interesting that they've built a protocol that's provably fair and that allows people to just earn interest and that you don't lose anything. There's really no risk. Now, just to clarify, when I say that there's no risk, there's always some sort of potential risks that run using smart contracts on Ethereum. I don't want to say there's zero risk, because a smart contract could have at some point some faulty code. If someone finds a way to hack it, it could get hacked. It's very unlikely. I mean, this has been trusted and been used by lots of different people. And not only that, it's been in progress for over a year now. So if there would have been a hack or would have been some security vulnerabilities, I feel like it would have been already, that would have already been mainstream news by now. But again, you deposit into any prize pool that you want. There's multiple pools. The longer that you hold, you're automatically submitted for new pools. You can withdraw your money at any time. And then obviously you earn the money, the prizes based on the total interest earned by everyone in the pool, and you never lose. And as long as you stay in the pools, you're always eligible to win. So it's sort of like a set it and forget it. And we'll take a look at the app in a second. And just as I touched on security risks, it is open source. It is a decentralized protocol. And, like I talked about, there are some unique risks that could happen, but, it's very transparent, which I really, really like. This is also backed by multiple people, and it also has a silent investor with Coinbase, which is huge. So just wanted to point out some of those few things here, which is very simple to use. As you can see here, it's just pools, account, and vote. Very simple. Here are the pools. Here's when they are ready to pay out. There's a pool for DAI, USDC, Uni tokens, and Compound. And you just simply click and deposit it when you want to use it. If we look at it for an example, if we view the pool for DAI, it shows that there's, you can add your tickets, plus you get access to the loot box, which the loot box is something that you can contribute to yourself, or you can also have other people as well. And there's different tokens, like there's Comp token, there's DAI, Hex, DexFin, Kiwi, and this changes every week, and it's just sort of like an ante on your deposits as well. It shows you how many people are in the pool, how many tickets are in there. For example, if you deposit 1,000 DAI and you only want to do one of your DAI here, you can put one ticket, or you can do all 1,000, which gives you 1,000 tickets. And then it shows you the yield source, meaning the interest that this is yielding is from Compound Finance, and it shows you the different players and the past prizes and the different addresses. So it's very transparent. This is very cool. The fact that you can play a lottery and there's no risk associated with it. Again, I say that no risk with losing your money, because you can withdraw it at any time, is pretty cool. So this is just an example of how it works. I actually deposited my first 100 DAI recently, and I'm waiting for this to see if you get paid out. You just click on your account button here at the end of the pool before a new one starts up, and it will let you know if you win. There is an FAQ that answers all the questions that you can go to as well, and you can check it all on the smart contracts via Etherscan as well. So this is just kind of a really interesting idea, and it looks like it's been executed extremely well. I'll go ahead and link this down in the description as well. But the bonus I wanted to say is there are a lot of rumors right now, all saying the same thing from legitimate sources, saying that there is likely to be a huge airdrop on Pool Token. Now, I don't have to remind you, if you follow DeFi or if you've used Uniswap before, you know that early users or adopters of Uniswap got 1,250 Uni tokens just for being an early adopter as that airdrop. That airdrop now is worth over $60,000 for literally doing nothing other than using the protocol and being an early adopter. So you potentially could be getting a good amount of free tokens that could be worth a lot of money very shortly if you're an early adopter. Again, you can earn pool tokens as soon as you make a deposit. And there's also, again, it's not confirmed, but there is a rumor that there is an airdrop that is impending on this protocol, which is really, really cool, and I'm looking forward to that. So I decided to dabble. Again, there's really no risk for it. Probably gonna add in some more. And if I'm saving money, this is basically just a way to earn interest and play games and do things with no risk. I can withdraw all of my funds at any time I want, and it's really just sort of like a pool together lottery system like you would do with your friends at work or what have you, except it's decentralized and it's verifiably fair, and it's just a really cool way to kind of play around with your crypto and put it to work for you. So that's kind of my first impression, and overall, when I discovered this, I thought it was really cool. I watched some other videos and talked to some other crypto enthusiasts as well that have tested it out before I did it, and they all love it and haven't heard anything bad on it yet. So just wanted to kind of give you an overall recap on this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave that in the comments below and I'll answer it to the best of my ability, and I will give a following update on what happens with my first deposit and my first pool. But go ahead and check this out, pooltogether.com. Looks really fun, really interesting. And if this is interesting for you, I will go ahead and link up above Crypto Airdrops Explained, a recent video that I did. So you can go ahead and check that out in the top right corner, and I will see you guys in that video. Crypto Renegade out.